2020 Audi Q5 key fob. If you want to open it up to replace the battery, this is how you do it. Or you have a button here and a button here. I'm going to press both buttons at the same time, hold them down, squeeze them. Okay, and then you're going to pull out the emergency key. That releases the emergency key. Now these same buttons, I'm going to squeeze them again, and we're going to pull out the battery holder. You might have to twist it a whole lot to get it to come out. So it can be pretty stuck in here, like that. Okay, see how that works. Then you can just pull the battery out and flip it over. The size is a CR2032. Positive sign facing down in the holder like this. You need a battery. There's a link down in the description box for Amazon. Get a new battery for like $2, but we just make sure this is pushed in all the way and locked in. You might have to squeeze this to do that. You just get the emergency key, lock it in, and you're all done.